Hi, this is Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy, and I get dozens of questions every day about what gear do I take and how do I take it. So this is my favorite bag, ThinkTank StreetWalker Pro. I love it. Has a water bottle holder, a secret pocket on the back to hold an iPad or my tickets or my wallet, outside pocket here for my phone and all that kind of stuff, inside pocket here for all my pursy kind of stuff, travel kind of stuff. But what you really want to see is here inside. This is the kit that I'm using today for travel. It's my Nikon Z kit. So I have here Nikon Z7 with the 24-70 lens. I have the Nikon 35mm 1.8 prime lens. And then I have two Nikon F lenses with the FTZ adapter, the 20mm 1.8 and the 70-200 f4. So you can see I've built a compact, small, lightweight kit for traveling that works great. In this kit, I also have a pair of glasses, the Hoodman loupe for looking at the LCD screen outside. I have a Hoodman Pixel Pocket card holder and a couple of Nikon batteries and a cable release and all that kind of stuff here. So here's the Nikon MCDC2 release for the Z7, all here in my bag, and this is what I take. So if you see me at the beach on Sunday or at Disneyland or on our trip to Cuba coming up in January, this is the kit I'll have with me. It's an awesome kit. When you come to Paul's Photo, we can set this up for you or set up a similar kit to get you the pictures that you want. Because it's not my camera. It's your camera and your pictures. And at Paul's Photo, our job, my duty, my responsibility is to get you set up to take the pictures that you want so that you can have the pictures that make you happy. Merry Christmas from Paul's Photo and all our family to yours. This is Mark Coleman wishing you great pictures, and we'll see you soon.